Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to apply false lashes. So I always use some particular items when I'm doing this. First I go in with kajal to tightline my waterline, then I go in with my mascara to coat my lashes, of course. Then next we have our glue, and then I have my tweezers, and then for the last I have the lashes itself. So next I always like to go in first with my Colossal Kajal Black Mascara. You can use any kajal you have or any black liner you have. So I'm going to use this now to tightline my waterline. This will just help everywhere around my eyes appear darker, and if at all I miss a step or I don't apply the lashes perfectly, because guys, sometimes we all struggle, this will help hide the appearance of that. So next I go in with my liner. Yeah, I didn't show this before, but yes, I always like to line my eyelids. Just do a tiny straight line. Guys, I started with a straight line, but along the way it got out of hand. So basically you just do a straight line however you want it. It could be thin, it could be thick. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to go over to mascara. And for mascara today, I'm using my Zaron Lengthening Mascara. And I'm going to use this to apply coat of mascara to my false lashes. This is what's going to help me prepare my lashes for the false mascara, so that everything looks all natural. So next it's time to apply our false lashes. So guys, I got these lashes anyway from AliExpress. I think they're in the style, they are wispy lashes. It doesn't really have any style on AliExpress. What seems to be slipping out of my head. So basically what I like to do first of all is go ahead to measure the lash and see if I need to cut it, and actually know the amount I need to cut. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my scissors. Why do I keep saying mascara? I'm going to go in with my scissors and cut off the excess. Then I'll go back once again to measure it. So once I'm satisfied with the length of the lashes, I'm going to go in with my glue. And the glue I'm using is the one from Star. I think that, I'm not sure if that's the name of the company, but it's called Star Glue. So I'm going to apply a thin layer beneath the band of the lash, the false lash. And then once I've left it to dry for 30 seconds, I'm going to go ahead to apply it. So I like to do two methods. I always use either the tweezers or I go directly with my hand. But at the end of it all, I'm still going to go back in with my tweezer to make sure everything is well laid together, especially my false lashes and my actual lash, my natural lash. So right now I'm just using the tweezer to clamp my false lashes and my natural lash together. And once I'm satisfied with how everything looks, voila guys, that's it. It's I don't want to say it's so easy, but we all know sometimes you can struggle with applying your lashes. But yeah, that is the quickest way I do mine. So next now I'll be showing you guys how I go in with my own hand to apply. So I always like to hold, once I'm done applying the glue, I always like to hold the lash very close to the band of the false lash, and then I go in and just place it where I would like to see it, where I want it to stay on my lid, and then I begin to press everything together. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead to coat my bottom lashes once more with mascara. And that's it guys, we're done. It's so easy sometimes but not so easy sometimes. So yeah guys, that is it. That is how I apply my false lashes. I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Tell me how long does it take you guys to apply your false lashes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.